How to add and use Google Analytics to Google Sites. Hi there, in today's video, we will learn how Google Analytics can be highly beneficial to Google Sites users as it provides valuable insights into website performance and user behavior. By integrating Google Analytics with the Google Sites website, users can track and analyze various metrics, including the number of visitors, the sources of traffic, the most popular pages, the average time spent on the site, and conversion rates. So, for you to begin using the Google Analytics with Google Sites, you actually need to open both applications or platforms rather. You can just go to sites.google.com and go to analytics.google.com. So, here, for you to begin with your Google Sites account, you can definitely sign up with your Google account, and here you'll be able to create a blank site, or you can actually use the templates currently that are currently available or provided by Google. So here you can open the project that you have, and what you need to do is to add Google Analytics into your site automation. So with this, you can open your Google site account, and what you need to do is click on your Google site settings. That's the gear icon here, and you'll be routed onto this page. On the left side panel, what you need to do is actually go to Analytics. That's the second to the last option, and you will need to look for the measurement ID from your Google Analytics account. Once you have the measurement ID from your Google Analytics account, it will automatically enable your Google Analytics to your Google site. So once you publish your website, it will automatically be linked into your Google Analytics account, and it will definitely merge it, and all the details like how many users open or visitors open your website, it will definitely be analyzed and added into your Google Analytics report. So from here, you need to go to Google Analytics and you need to create your account. From here, you will be inputting your account details like your account name. You will also input the details as well, like here on the top part, the property information, the business details, and a lot more. So here, when you go to Google Analytics, this is what will welcome you. This is the home page, and what you can do is just click on Start Measuring, and you will be routed into this page so that you can start creating your account. So input your account name, check all these boxes, and click on Next. From here, you will input you'll be creating your property by inputting the detail like what the property name is, from which country or time zone you are in, and what currency. Once done, you can click on Next. And you need to make sure that all these details are accurate so that you will be able to analyze or get the analyzation of your website's data correctly. So once you fill out all those details, you can go to your business details. They will ask on what industry or what category your business is, and what is the size of your business, whether it's 1 to 10 employees, that's small. You have 11 to 100, 100 to 500, and 500 to 1000. So you can look into details here depending on what your business belongs or what the website is. So, for example, it's more about your um, art, or it's your portfolio about your works as an artist, or you can go to shopping if it's an online store, and you can go to pets and animals if it's relating to animals. You have beauty and fitness. You can actually have a lot of informations or details that you can choose from. So here you will be inputting as well or choosing your business objectives on what is your goals in using Google Analytics. So you can select multiple items here for your business account. So once you have filled out all these details, you can just check on these informations here. or you can modify that by just having to generate the leads. So for example, it's only a landing page, so generating leads is definitely a good idea, especially if the landing page that you're creating is for affiliate marketing, and that could definitely help you um, increase your sales as well. So here you can click on create and then just click on accept to the terms and wait for it to load, and then you can start collecting data. What you need to do is choose a platform. In this case, we have the website from Google Sites. Then we can just click or go to your homepage and then just click on save. And then what we will need to do here is we need to get the measurement ID. We need to input the web informations or the website's link here, since with the Google Sites is for creating websites. And then we need to input the URL of the website we have. So here what you need to do is to publish your website, and then you input your web address. You can use your business name and then just click on publish. And then here on this part here, you will be able to get the link. So you can just copy that link and then paste it here. You don't need to include the HTTPS so that you will be able to proceed with getting the measurement ID. So you just need to input the sites.google.com and then the rest. And then here you can input the stream name. So let's say that's your business name, for example. And then here you will have the datas. So since there are no informations, or the website is not currently active, there's no data that they will be able to gather. But you can just get the measurement ID here. That's beside the stream ID. Just copy that. And then we go back to Google Sites and go to our settings and go to analytics. And then just input the measurement ID, and here you can see that it automatically toggles on, which means your Google Analytics is currently enabled here for your Google Sites website. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to add and use Google Analytics to your Google site account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.